What's up, everyone? Today, we're building a backyard pump track. Everything we've built so far, and have cleared, has all been on one main trail system. Now, this trail system is pretty great. However, we decided it might be cool to have multiple entrances. The other reason is to accommodate for our new BMX bike. This is the newest addition to the bike collection, I suppose. Since the main trail system is mountain bike specific, this bike never really had a place on it. Until now. We started with a little work off camera, starting off the berm and making a roller. Alright guys, so we have this massive pile of rocks right here that we've excavated from our digging procedure. What do you guys want us to do with it? Go ahead and leave it in the comment section. We'll pick a couple of our favorite and do a poll in a future video, alright? So, this is the process of getting the dirt. So I fill up these buckets and he throws them down. I'm usually down here shoveling. So here's the bucket stand. Put the bucket there. Here are my two nice stairs. Here's one side where I've been mining. Here's the main side I've been mining. I've collected quite a pile of dirt. Once we had completed the basic design, we tested it a couple of times and we figured out that the berm really doesn't need to go all the way around. In this case, we figured out that it might be a better idea if we actually got rid of that part of the berm, turned that into a jump, and so you could go straight onto the other path. So now the two paths will be merged together. And then this path right here will go straight with a jump. Nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you give it a like, share it, and don't forget to go over to the channel and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And also, please don't forget about the rocks, guys. We need your help and ideas, so go ahead to the comment section and leave some ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.